Hi guys, finally I found a keyboard that will meet all your needs and it won't hurt your savings account. The keyboard features two colors, the black and the white, and two switches, the blue and red. Inside the box, the keyboard is wrapped with a soft back and corner protection foam against potential damage during the shipping. Under the keyboard, there's our menu, which lists all the functions and hotkeys that you may use for this keyboard. A detachable USB cable with one side that is Type-C, and we also have a Marvo logo stickers. The keyboard doesn't have the adjustable feeties under it, but the angle of the keyboard makes it pretty comfortable actually for both typing and gaming. The keyboard is plug in and play, no driver needed. Simply connect the USB Type-C to the keyboard and the other side to our PC. Then it's ready to roll. There are many preset lighting effects that we can use by pressing the F in and out, and we can also adjust the brightness and the speed of the lighting. Let me show you some of the lighting effects. If you like the clicky sound of the keyboard, then the blue switches will be perfect for you. Otherwise, choose the red switches. I used to like blue switches a lot because of the clicky sound, but after having my daughter in the house, you don't want to wake a sleeping baby in the night, so I switched to red switches. Let me show you the typing sound of both switches. Gaming on this keyboard feels okay, it's pretty responsive, and the keys are easy to click on. I don't really have any complaints about it. Overall, for gaming, this is a really good choice to go with. But if you want to use it for work or study, I suggest you to get a full-size keyboard because it's pretty annoying to use the number keys and function keys. And that is pretty much everything for this video. Thank you for watching, and as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out!